People know, people have knowledge. People, they are doctor, engineer, officer, but this idea everybody need, everybody require. If you are doctor, teacher, lawyer, officer, any designation, actually you have yourself. But if you don't know how to talk, how to connect people, how to attract people, how to deal people, how to solve problem of the country by your speech, by your knowledge, how can you attract people? So you are not complete person, I think that. So that's why this session, this activity is important for everybody, whether you are teacher, engineer, officer, lawyer, right? Yeah, common man, chief, PM, political, right? Now office, political leaders, any. Actually, you have degree, you need speaking skill. Speaking, this is one kind of art, but people after right qualifying high level degree, they don't know how to speak, how to talk, how to connect people. Then how can they use? How can they use actually? How can they apply? How can they right motivate, promote people? No, never ever you can do. You can complete successfully your actually your motive without having speaking. So the great motive to come here, right, to conduct this special session ki actually how can I put my opinion, how can I put my delivery exactly properly about any particular topic, event, incident, accident, right, festival, whatever you have, wonderful, great, right now, occasion, event. So how can we represent ourselves? This is the very mineable, right now, very great things. So that's why I put such a beautiful session. In this session, actually, I try to learn lots of things, ideas, technique, philosophy. How can I put my opinion? How can I speak? How can I ask question? How can I interact people? How can I impress people? Even also how can I collect? How can I cover right topic? Whatever I have to explain, whatever I have to leave here. So each and every point actually I discuss in this session. So please guys, I think that you are very excited, enthusiastic, right, interested to attend, to participate such a great session. This is Mimok, this is remarkable, right, memorial, phenomenal, actually, right, fabulous session for us. We are debating, we are now actually going to express our emotion. This is the very great question, right? So this is the wonderful session, ladies and gentlemen. A motive to conduct this festival, this topic, this session, this show. Actually, how can we represent? How can I right now put my opinion? Right? How can I express my emotion about any particular event? That's why this session is gonna very important and also now useful for all people, for all students. Actually, they are excited. They want to develop their English language. They want to improve. They want to know actually how can I become a great public speaker and amazing, shocking public speaker. How can you right now? How can you put right your opinion? These kind of ideas actually we learn here. This is not only English class, actually, ladies and gentlemen. Whatever topic I select here, this is especially our society topic, our practical life topic, even our country topic. So we debate, we discuss to solve the problem of our society, problem of our country, problem of our daily life. By our opinion, by our speech, actually we can do this one very easily. Even the most important things, we are working here on our body language, our skill, our knowledge, our ideas, thought, actually how can I become a great person, how can I become a right now great public speaker. Now we are doing. And also one most important things I want to do here on myself, I want to become a great PD. Personality development, I am doing here. So how can I do, how can I become a great person, how can I talk, how can I connect formally anywhere in this world, in this universe? This idea actually I learn here, I practice practically here. Now I gonna conduct, actually this is the session. So lots of motive actually we have here to come here to start this session, to conduct this beautiful right occasion. That's why I come here, right, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are getting actually aware what things actually I want to put in your mind, what is clicking in my mind. So these kind of ideas I try to learn here practically. People know, people have knowledge. People, they are doctor, engineer, officer, but this idea everybody need, everybody require. If you are doctor, teacher, lawyer, officer, any designation, actually you have yourself. But if you don't know how to talk, how to connect people, how to attract people, how to deal people, how to solve problem of the country by your speech, by your knowledge, how can you attract people? So you are not complete person, I think that. So that's why this session, this activity is important for everybody, whether you are teacher, engineer, officer, lawyer, right? Yeah, common man, chief, PM, political, right? Now office, political leaders, any actually you have degree, you need speaking skill. Speaking, this is one kind of art, but people after right qualifying high level degree, they don't know how to speak, how to talk, how to connect people. Then how can they use? How can they use actually? How can they apply? How can they right motivate, promote people? No, never ever you can do. You can complete successfully your actually your motive without having speaking. This is one kind of art everybody need actually to raise their sound and also to solve their problem, to raise their right now sound to the Supreme Court, High Court, and also each and every citizen man of this country. Now we can do. You can. So this session actually is important for everybody actually who are living in this world. This is the practical session. Practical session. Here actually I work on my skill. Here actually I work on my body language. Here actually I work actually how can I or represent yourself, how can I define each and every activity right now properly in a right direction, one by one in front of the people, right publicly these ideas. So hope guys you are getting actually what I want to give you, what I want to tell you. That's why more important, essential this session for us. This is very remarkable memorial session and for us. So in this session, I try to practically apply, right, how can I track here. Today's our panel talk, I have many right now. Student actually they are going to participate, they are going to enjoy, they are going to put their opinion, they are going to share actually, they are express their perception, their emotion. They are highly excited to come here to put their opinion. So believe me guys, you are going to learn lots of things from this session. So please stay here, right, and try to learn something and try to gain focus, pay attention, right, completely, totally, definitely. I have surety you can get many ideas, many authentic, relevant point actually which help you if you go anywhere for lecture, if you go anywhere for interview, if you go anywhere for talk, if you go impress anywhere, right, each and every area you need this session. That's why this is the right international session, this is the international right event. Now you can say that these things everybody need. I saw many teachers, they also learn this idea. I saw many leaders, they also join these classes. I saw many doctors, they also come here. I saw many villager people, they also join these classes. I saw many women also they come here. So all kind of department people, they are coming here, just they want to improve, just they want to brush up their skill, just they want to right now make sharp your skill, your mind, your right now your talent here. This is the practical session, this is the very great session for everybody. Hope you are enjoying here, right? So now the number come to start this session. So please maintain your energy and watch completely, totally this session. Definitely this session will change your life completely, totally. All right. So tell me guys, are you excited? Yes. Are you excited to attend such a beautiful session? Are you interested? Yeah. Yeah, right.